So.
Hey, well, at least we caught it.
Oh.
We caught it.
Just wanted to share this with you real quick. So I added a super cap to my see what I got. What it would do inside over here. I can feel it going when it goes. Let's see what happens here. Alright, here we go. Alright guys, welcome back. So I just want to do a quick comparison. I'm actually selling this black brick heavy hitter today, so I wanted to get a quick video of it before I do so. I'm going to put on a light real quick just so you guys can see it a little bit better. I have it next to the Timpano TPT 2500. So you can see it's a little bit bigger, and the baskets are actually very similar. If you look at the design, they're very similar, like the claw on it. It's like a claw type basket. Alright, so we'll be right back. I'm gonna get a light on so you guys can see a little bit better. Alright, much better. I got a light on and I got the back door open there. So just so you guys can see real quick, this is the original black brick audio heavy hitter. Tinsel leads there. They were small double. Looks to be like 8-gauge terminals there. It is pretty heavy for what it is. I lifted it up and I was like, I thought it was the MTX 9500. And I opened the box and it wasn't. It was the heavy hitter. So you can just see the difference there. So the Timpano 25 has a single one lead on it, and this has a double single lead on there. There's the side-by-side comparison, and just so you guys can see the top there, the surround. So this has more of like a tall boy surround, and this has more of like a wider, fatter surround. Double stitched here and double stitched here. All right, and they had the pulp paper cone and the polypropylene dust cap. The surround is foam on it. Let's just check out the. See, this is pretty big. Look at that voice coil. Looks gorgeous. And dual vented down there, the voice coil and pull vent, and that nice booty of a magnet there. All right, and that 3-inch voice coil. All right guys, appreciate ya. All right, if I can get him doing a video, it's going in a newer Bronco, like one of the 22, 23, 24 Broncos with a 3,000 watt amp. All right, if I can get a video, I'll get a video. If not, We love you, Black Brick. We have the new Powerhouse. We'll see you guys soon. All right, so I'll show the speakers in a second, but I'm going to be swapping out the Scar in this box to the Black Bricks that are in this box right now. And we're going to be going from, I'm going to put one Black Brick in that box. I'm going to see how that does. All right, we'll be right back, guys. Don't go anywhere. All right, guys, so here's the Black Brick
The world's smallest
and the
screen.
Scar Audio ZVX side by side. So this is another first ever. You're seeing the Scar Audio ZVX and the Black Brick Audio Powerhouse. I mean, the magnet, the Scar magnet could fit inside of the Black Brick magnet. It's a little bit stouter, like thicker this way wise, but like, I mean, that's probably like 7 inches, maybe 8 inches, and that's a full 10, like over 10 inches.
It's gonna have more power than just
yeah,
a thicker
definitely
magnet.
It has more
Is that a triple stack still or a double?
I think it's triple. Yeah, still triple. Just those are,
Dude,
I think those are a little
massive.
bit thicker slugs.
And I heard that's like a quad, what is that, an 8 stack spider or something, not just quad or something? I don't know, I thought
it's a 4 inch
oh my God.
voice coil. That's a 3-inch voice coil.
That's a 4-inch, okay.
So I mean, it's a lot more, it's just bigger. The Scar's a little bit taller, but I mean,
That thing looks like a beast compared to the ZVX.
the surround on this right here is just, it kind of gives me the like Sundown vibes.
You can kind of see it's like quality versus, you know, I don't know.
You
I
can
wouldn't say
see
cheap,
the
but cheaper.
The tinsel leads here, they're like single strand, large, double leads.
Those are
These things are like, I don't even, they're like double quad leads.
Oh yeah. Now what about the impedance? Is that a dual 2 or a dual 1?
Yeah, dual 2.
Okay.
Yeah, dual 2. They only have D2 and D4.
Okay. That's
And I mean, I don't know where they're going with the company. I haven't really talked to them much. I'm gonna try to get back to them after I make a few more videos. I'm actually making a unboxing video as I'm recording this right at the moment.
By the looks of their Instagram, it looks like they want to come out with some more stuff.
I hope.
That'd be dope.
So I'm gonna get this inside the box. I got the Timpano 5K. I'm gonna try that first and see how it does, and we'll go from there. All right, guys. Appreciate you. We'll be back. All right, guys. Welcome back. Subs and pause. So I just wanted to. I swapped out. I got one Black Brick Powerhouse in a single box. So I'll show you guys my 5,000 amp. I gotta figure this out because it's driving me insane. I think I don't know if I'm getting a lot of impedance rise or what's going on. I'm gonna try up one more volume. I'm gonna see what I'm getting for decibels. It's loud outside. It's loud in the car for one sub. But I think you can definitely do more. All right, let's see here. We're gonna go getting for power now. I went up one more volume. Yeah, it's a little bit louder on the outside. You can obviously see it's a little bit louder on the inside. Definitely getting more power. You can see we're running about 3 ohms here, 4 ohms. That's pretty high. About 4 ohms, so that's I think I might try my Stetson amp in here and see what happens after that, or I don't know. Alright, so that was 1,000 blunt Suicide Boy. Before that was did it not go in? Huh. Who the hell was that? Young Jeezy, this one's for you. All right, guys, appreciate you watching. I love this new camera. I got this new GoPro, so this will be what I'm using for my recording now. I appreciate you guys watching. We'll be back. Alright guys, welcome back.
Hold on 1 second. Hold on 1 second.
Out we go. Now this is 60 frames. Let's do it.
Play me some Pippin, man. Play me some Pippin, man.
Alright guys, appreciate you watching. Alright guys, welcome back. Subs and pause. So I'm glad I got this all figured out, the camera figured out and everything. Alright, let me see, I'm gonna rewind this here. Alright, here we go. Rewind that there. Here we go. Alright, so I got this is like the sound quality I've come across, and this is what I'm gonna have for my inside my own vehicle that I use all the time every day, except for like if I go on vacation. I have a little 8-inch Hertz audio I'm gonna keep, and I'm gonna use that when I go on vacation and stuff. So this is a GL Audio 12W6. view has gone away, so I don't even know what I'm looking at right now. That's the only thing I'm not sure I like about this camera, is that you can't really see what's going on with the subwoofer. Let's put on another song we're going to try out. Let's see here. Just so you guys can see what it sounds like outside. Put this down. There's not a whole ton of rattling or anything going on the outside of the vehicle. And on the inside, it sounds beautiful. Beautiful, nice bassy, nice clean sound. Perfect sound on the inside. It holds everything in. Everything sounds nice on the inside. So I mean, that was my goal when I came across all this stuff. So I have JL Audio 6.5 inch up front, JL Audio 6.5 inch in the back. I got JL Audio tweeters in the pillars there, the rear pillars, and now the JL Audio 12W6V2 in the back on an Audison SR 1.500. It runs probably I want to say it's wired to 2 ohms. It runs about 3 ohms, so it's probably getting about 700 watts ish. All right, so I guess my next thing I'll get a dyno test and see how much power it's actually pulling from the amp. And as always, guys, I appreciate you watching. I'm gonna go check out my other car. I just want to get my car running for the day and get this little video out for you guys. I'll probably hook it up into another video. I appreciate you guys watching. Take care of yourselves and each other, guys. 2025, let's get it this year, guys. Peace.